Hey, I'm Zeph at Williams Honda, and so today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay feature. Step 1, click General Settings. Step 2, Smartphone Connection. And then you would just click Apple CarPlay here, and then Connect New Device. And then you go on your phone, and you pull up your Bluetooth device list. Then you find Honda CR-V. Click Pair. Allow for your contacts to sync to the vehicle. And then, yes, you would like to enable Apple CarPlay. And then a feature on your phone will pop up and just say complete. And then now you have access to Apple CarPlay. This vehicle can attempt to call emergency services if you crash the vehicle when you're connected to CarPlay by itself. And then here's your CarPlay here, which will give you your navigation. You can accept messages, make phone calls, all kinds of stuff.